Good morning. My name is Nusai Gudara, and today I'm presenting my Lab 1 assignment, which is on working with pivot tables. The business question that I'm going to be answering for today is coming from the Ontario government, who needs to know how many students are enrolled in all its colleges across Ontario, and also to see how many of these students are enrolled in manufacturing-related programs. My source data is from this website, which is a public one for colleges and enrollment numbers in Ontario. Here is the source data. It has 27,000 rows and 4 columns. The 4 columns are the year, the program types, the college, and the enrollment headcount. I'm going to start creating the pivots like this. I choose to add this data so that in case I want to make a unique count, I can do that. Now I have my pivot canvas. I take the head count under values so that I get a sum automatically. And now I want to see how this sum is distributed across the college types. I select design, report layout, and tabular form so that it automatically brings in the headers for me. I copy this table and paste somewhere else. I come in again to the pivot table fields, take out the college name, and bring in the program type. Now, because I want to see everything about manufacturing, I come in here and I type manufacturing. So I see all the manufacturing related programs. For me to see this data better, I can also come in here to make this in descending order and do the same thing here in descending order. Now that I have this, I can create a new sheet for my charts. So I come in here first to make the first chart. Now this first chart is for the college types. I just cut and paste it here. Same thing for the second to see all the manufacturing programs. I cut and paste it here. So I come back to my main summary tables. I can close this. For me to see all the data easily at once, I can reduce the percentage view. To have a fine canvas, I can take out the grid lines, then rename my sheet as summary data. Same thing for this. I can rename the sheet as summary charts. For a better view, I can take out the grid lines too. For better flow also, I can take this sheet and bring it all the way here. I can do some more aesthetics by removing extra columns and making the tables look precise and neat. I can centralize this just to make it look neat. Lastly, I can come to this chart area, reduce the resolution so that I'll be able to see all the sections much more clearly. Something like this. So this concludes the presentation. Thank you.